Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Liver Detox Simplified. These days, more and more people worldwide are becoming health conscious. This may be because there have been a lot of medical cases plaguing doctors lately. So, this has certainly placed people on the edge when it comes to proper diet and such. This is especially true regarding gallstones and liver problems. In fact, the stats show that there is indeed a high ratio of medical concerns related to gallstones and liver problems. Now, there are a lot of ways to tackle gallstones and liver problems. But one effective and traditional way of doing this is liver flush. The liver flush has indeed become quite popular because there is a home remedy that you can actually try. So, how does the home remedy of liver flush actually work? First off, you should understand what is the main purpose of the liver flush process, and that is to remove toxins that are fat-soluble. Examples of such toxins are pesticide residues. Now that we have that out of the way, we can now discuss the liver flush process. The typical way to do this is to drink 2 glasses of apple juice every 2 hours for 2 days. The apple juice should be organic, mind you, not those regular Tetra packs you buy from your local grocery. And for these 2 days, you are not to eat anything but fruits and veggies. After these 2 days, you should then take in 1 to 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt. The Epsom salt should be dissolved in water as well. After downing these tablespoons, you should then take in olive oil with lemon juice. This should be worth half a cup. And this should be done before you go to bed. But why should liver flush be done this way? First off, apple juice has very high malic acid content. Malic acid serves as a solvent in weakening the adhesions or combinations of solid particles or globules. The main component of Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, which can relax muscles and dilate the bile duct, to make way for the solid globules to pass through. And the olive oil with lemon juice stimulates the bile duct and the gallbladder to constrict. With this kind of contraction, the gallstones and other contents would be forced out of the system. Thus, the logic behind the elements needed for the liver flush process. But before you do try the home remedy of liver flush, you should consult your physician first. There are times when liver flush can complicate things, especially for people who already have gallstones. So, it would be better to be safe than sorry this time around. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.